Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to pay tolls and violations online through bayareafasttrack.org. This simple process ensures that you stay up to date with your toll payments and avoid any penalties. Follow these easy steps to manage your FasTrak account and make secure payments. Step 1. Visit bayareafasttrack.org. Open your browser and go to the official FasTrak website, bayareafasttrack.org. This is where you'll manage your account, make payments, and view toll violations. Step 2. Log into your FasTrak account. Click the Login button located on the top right of the homepage. You'll be prompted to enter your username and password associated with your FasTrak account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up option to create one. Step 3. Access your account dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of your tolls, account balance, and any outstanding violations. Step 4. Check for tolls or violations. To check for any unpaid tolls or violations, navigate to the Tolls and Violations section of the dashboard. This will show any outstanding balances, including toll charges and late fees. Step 5. Review your charges. Click on the toll or violation that you wish to pay. A detailed breakdown will appear, including the amount due, the date of the violation, and the location of the toll. Step 6. Make a payment. To proceed with the payment, click the Pay Now button. You'll be asked to choose a payment method, which can include credit or debit card or other available options. Enter your payment details and follow the on-screen prompts. Step 7. Confirmation. Once the payment is processed successfully, you'll receive a confirmation message on the screen. You will also receive an email receipt for your records. Step 8. Monitor your account. After payment, you can continue to monitor your account for future tolls and violations. You can also set up automatic payments or notifications to avoid missing any tolls in the future. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily pay your tolls and violations online through bayareafasttrack.org. This ensures you stay compliant with toll requirements and avoid unnecessary fines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.